Yo, what's up, Master G here, Nina Murondo Skwiru. We are in Thohoyandou Thabani Mall, behind the mall actually. Una taxi rank, that's where we are. Murondo achishuma hapa, in fact. Yeah, asitraina bana ba tuku and so on. Una stadium chatando, and we're just here hanging out. This is Medium Wave 1035 podcast. We're doing real things, Madala. If you don't know, now you know. Murondo, what's up, my man?
Hi, Nione Master G.
Is that right? Sure. Namusindi Balabo, we're talking to you. We're going to be going to the studio not so long.
All right.
And hear more about who you are and so on.
Nah.
Respect, I mean.
I also got everything that you have to know about Murondo. You can know everything. Whenever we say the woods is, whenever we search one achievement, then I'll tell you exactly how it is.
Thank you very much. Murondo Skwiru coming up shortly. Stay tuned. Medium Wave 1035. We live. Sure, baby. We're done!
Years I've been doing this. He gets a little tired in his business. Group is all as you know, ni my sister. And the fathers you know never fat to chase. 10 odd years I've been doing this. He gets a little tired in his business. Group is all as you know, ni my sister. And the fathers you know never fat to chase. Took a little while, but I'm back now.
You're listening to the best radio station on the planet. You're listening to the best radio station on the planet. And now, it's time for a classic. Your day sounds better with Your Day Sounds Better.
Six and a half minutes after 11 o'clock right here on Medium Wave 1035. Sound of DJ Mbuso. Thinking of this, I get mad. I get frustrated. When I have to play house like this, on a Thursday like this, I become so weak. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you might be, Dumelang, Molo, Shawani, Absheni. What else did I leave? You are live on Medium Wave 25. My name is Master G. It's a beautiful day, 6.5 minutes after 11. We are broadcasting live from News Cafe, Thabani Mall in Limpopo. We are saying to you, if you've got a place to be, this is the place. Make it a home for yourself. Come have some good drinks. Relax, man. The atmosphere here is lit. It's on fire. People here, friendly stuff. Thanks one more time to Brad Kola, the store manager for Thabani Mall News Cafe. A friendly guy. Good guys here. Cold beers I can see there. Pumps. They don't just serve you like that. They've got a whole thingy. But anyway, thank you very much. Today I've got a guest, a brother. You know, we know him from Black Leopards. We know him from the whole football fraternity, South Africa and all that. Murondo Skwiru, welcome to my show, my brother.
Thank you.
How's it, my man? Man, where have you been, Murondo?
No, I've been around, man. After playing football,
Somebody wants to know Murondo Skwiru. Who are you, Murondo Skwiru?
Yeah. Murondo Skwiru the outing, the bebo hayani.
Yeah.
Abakole fani Murondo Skwiru alina chikuwa ngokati. Zomvo ni mvendo pelerawo.
Yeah, alina chikuwa.
I didn't bang 18. So nimvendo puma
na. Mo big kwana lo ive.
Yeah, so that's why ndiko ndiyayani ndione Murondo vangovera.
Yes.
Master G ngovela ndi apa to focus basa.
Right.
Sanda askwiviru.
Nda.
Zambori vada vaona chitenzi.
Sinye miedzini yangovela.
Nda mina ramangani yangovela.
Yeah. But hey Murondo, when were you born, my brother?
Mingwa ndi Murondo minji.
Yeah.
Nendo bebwa mingwa yanga ndikazi idzobe ngori idzoleka social media ndi muto bebwa 1980 ale pala ngovela.
Yeah.
Ndaruwera nepala ndachita chikolo nepala ndapedza chikolo nepala ndisongotuma ndayakuma.
Yeah.
Nda.
Yeah, man. Primary school ngovela. High school ngovela. Ndapedza chikolo.
Da university ya Venda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they patrika do the kind of But okay, everybody knows they will be associating you with Black Leopards, football, a businessman. and a coach, because I've been seeing you somehow at some point doing some coaching, thing with some small boys at the back of the mall.
Sure.
Which we're gonna go back there and fly the drone in few minutes.
Yeah.
But Mrondo, let's talk about you as a man before we talk about a footballer.
Yeah.
A lot of men do have a lot of challenges of self-identity, identifying themselves.
Yeah.
Nisa, there's someone aba careful ngamanda when it comes to what you want. It seems like you know what you want, because after your career, which we're going to be touching base on, you took a drastic step of going to study at the University of Venda, which a lot of players in this country doesn't find themselves going that route.
Yeah.
How do you feel being the man you are today, Mrondo?
No, I mean, Richiko Chira, Master Jerry, Rito Guda.
Yeah.
So, like, you can see things, most of the things that we never as Gudanga, Arji Gude, Ayani, Gudan. So, I was fortunate enough for Atinam Komanan.
Oh.
I was in sure when I was Zanavatano, which unfortunately was Lavana.
Yes.
So I'm the only boy in the family.
Right.
So then this Okawaila product theory, it takes a village to raise the men. I think Okono Komana and Akono Gaida.
Yeah.
So I don't know drastic decision in the village. It was like out of the experiences that I've seen. Jesu ndiko diaruwa or abangwa bako chili sahani now it's sahani. So ndi wona ngati ndione funzo yabudi ine mtu angayiwana aguda then akonobona zori cheo ine yako ijandipi. So nendo jia yori sikofesora ndotamba bola iyi uri bo ndiko no ba role model ka bamwe machero ari zisichato ita ndito yo ndo bandaba ba role model na kama poma chikolo. So it was very critical decision for me to make, because ndoto biyerera chikuruni after a long time. So
nichibodiba no fara chelede ende skonda ngamanda just
it was a village for swallow pride.
Yeah, for real.
For others, but for me it was not swallowing a pride.
Tell me, Mrondo, do you think una chisiwa na shangoni?
There's nothing, there's no such.
Yeah.
Then nenda ndiko buzore no bebe wangu kunde mtu kana ndoti ndine chisiwa nachopedzisa ngori atitova na mutu mukotsi anga vo shuma vakushumira tsikhaladzi vachikwani. So I have to hustle with
vanongopanda
100% mara kandira yona
chisole Mrondo, ariambenga duba lena tomo discover una talent ya bola. When was that?
From the saying inenda toipfawo ndisatu dhakauri nendo zvibona lini vakori ndoitoma ndichikodhi vakamaleri ngori ne my uncle is very much muzvara wanga ndi marume ndirimini uncle ndi mutu one vori aruwa achiita zvoya bolani badi. So
bola dzakare dzazvidava nani
no ari kovi ndoitamba ndimaleri ndinazori vakongudisa aya ndivasoko vachiteka bola so vasokopfesa ndosana na mwana so vakonopfesa ndotomeigudane pala uya ngavo mara I started at a very young age.
I see. So but ariambe duvale na tomo diwana nikotamba professional football. I think there are a lot of guys banebo boni witness and kotakuwa from secondary school, from primary school, but there's been a goodisana nabo kambro bakoni pfumbudza ngori there were always those teachers bane they will be there for
100%
for you, man. And bane I would like, if they're still alive, to mention their name and say, hey teacher Bumanaga, thanks a lot for that. But Mrondo, you in the cup pitch here, Black Leopard, which I guess was your first serious breakthrough car footballer professional. How was it?
Ara ndiko ndifambuso yazobdi yorapfa mara idopindura yazobdi mapeselo.
Right.
I was very much fortunate to read bora yenda dipinesa ngayo. Asia Black Leopards, asia Pirates, asia Super Sport, asia B, asia Dynamos. The bora yenda tamba maya.
Sinsin.
Majita yenda tamba no bora zvazvinwi. Ndiko ndosana ndichituwa bono ri amfetu. Ari ngasibariliwa pa ngori dzasi kubuya. Ranga tuwara yavo chivungululu.
Sina mkumbani ne?
Chivungululu una team vo Hungry Lion. Obviously majita ndatangana zvino kana vatu vanotangana zvino vombona ndikotamba bola avangambudzinga bola ya Pirates vazokuri nokona bona ngachirete mara vadombudza uri ndadzona ngidimisa badi mtu kana kamudhavi wakaigai. So that's the nice part of the history that I enjoy.
And no man's worried by then, right?
You
were playing for the love of the game.
Then there's no Chipapa name, like from school to Black Leopards. Black Leopards, it was a very interesting story.
Take us through, man. What was interesting about Black Leopards?
Black Leopards, by then.
Yes.
Ne watu vane bandiva bazazondisani ka Black Leopards.
Yeah. Which year was that, Munondo?
97.
97.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was 17 by then. Laji mtuku.
Yeah.
And ka Black Leopards
yeah.
Basajin.
Yeah.
Ngobo sajiwi mutu kana asongo pass of grade 12. And no, in fact was ajumtu asashumi.
Oh.
Areba ngasiza Black Leopards yakali yabe compose wanga badedinzi nabatolo shuma mbusoni.
Bochiri dzingange.
Chiri dzingazo nganga utoda nomkoma. What the story boy.
Yeah.
Then ndichituwa ndichaka Black Leopards nga 97.
Yeah.
Jamba zori ndali kutamba bhola za ayani.
Yeah.
Ndandika diva bo pasa grade 12.
Yes.
Jamba ndo vashoma va ku celebrate nyana kusoko Trans Leopards nyana. Mara
big up to Leopards.
So uyele kwanga.
Yeah.
Nelo tamba bhola kaimwe chibi ino feature Mbeveli class.
Yeah.
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 Ndiso ngoba isitukutuku zina thoma kazana kwamba ya semi professional.
Yes.
Then hela team rabo ri kota manzi team bochi kumululu.
Yes.
Aningi ndafanyisa ngayo bo table newcomers ngeno pasi achisele bo baleni bo amagidi bakona mfesa so abala bana bazonzo re amen coach umukana uko dina
blind o danger
abazamore I somewhere so nenda bori ndina hela pressure yori abathu bakuri ini ula mona kutoni fareledzana masina that guy has a plan mon dzina lavo va Mlauzi vo Mlauzi killer Mlauzi vava diva vane vadiva bola hedzi dzine ndakudziamba izvi ndi kwamba so ndava ndambelu dzina vadazori ai
the brand
the brand ngayo ni so ava lavo coach vari no mfethu ndonisa trial and the Leopards then neti diuri titi Leopards ndibani kuibona zwi ka TV unavo Victor Matemosa the lady unavo nye ndatama sa muthu ane akotamba bola kono mfesa mara my dream was ndichi reira kana ndi taxi ndichi mtuku ndachi ndi kwangovela pala ndicheza stadium pala chichipa chipasi one day
plus ningovela ni vanhu
konobona kwa pasi angelo ndibona na pasi so hola muna angisaka trial which was back then 97 that's kuitwa hapa Univen ndichisuka hapa lani wona imwe coach ara Steve Mungoni he's late by now
may his soul rest in peace man
and then ndichisuka hapa lani sukanda una bala vana wothe by then Black Leopards yova isi ya angeno ka TDR family yova iya umathili musamshana
by then
wakona mfesa so baba sa signing mwana ayisena batho bolwana so hola anyisa ndi mwana just because
ukhobona
ufunzana toy kutama is also one of the legends here
I see
but I'm Black Leopards mkomana kan so amba na toy do samtwe ndukana apa na muzama ndichisuka pala ni vachimposa kangumu na wonori ukogaba juwele masuta and ndikazi kundopa mwanga luthi ndothoma ndape wandafya ivane kubona training richiponya ngotopandeliwa fya saka udabe kune monga po chikorani then rele nyana juwele tipa davo juwele is a professional keeper do kudori gavera rale wanga zitrial lamkokodzero lamun juwele
nakokodzera juwele na mwemba nani koto mwembarasa
nani koto mtesta kokodzera juwele ya rwapara jirwapara ya buya kochara ula atomusedzura kumbuka no sopara ndwaga adobari atomani dove yari bonea tiyo mapara ya ubili yato jena ndio nenda paso ni trial same time ngalauraru ngamgibira ndawo ndo bagimi
ngamgibira ndawo game
ndichikovane palanta so it was an interesting story.
But I'm telling you.
I was trying to cut the long story short.
No man, look, this is something that's but manjo basachidivi. And I hope you know now uri munondo tomisana and hoitia mini and so on. Okokodzera Joel Masuta short. Ya roapara. Afi ha kadove. Amdova ya jena.
Na mandaba teammate yao.
Yeah. Atozwifana Joel ora.
Odamtukana.
And ndikadwa mana Joel. Ndimumbudze nga goal ye munondo arwisa para.
Achikuita trial na ene mune angaba asichazidiva mara if it was like that zimburo ngane
ndichitomo utamira Black Leopard I know bunja shuru kunya gudivoro zvabude kuti nanchi what up guy
okay
umwedzi wanu wotoma obviously well asigobelani angihle Leopard
ndizo
obona bank account yabudine yabana subsidy and una chibisana chilango chona chilacho bifanyana chana
asiyone nachiyo rine yachimbiranga back yachimbiranga nga taxi ya apa PPD so ku number plate ya LSS 72 you know rero ngabona people babi rachitwanga yobva pari kumona
ezvo zvibazi ndakuzonzvoda murobe
ava tofa mapungu avudhi bali.
So tell me,
yeah,
cheke
muchemo muhoro ti vadiva vori vakumbuse mbuso ndari ndipapindure apa ndipapindura nendichiyaka blekele pa ndasikuerohola. I was going there to prove a point.
You were going to prove a point.
Wana usahuliwe so zvava azvingo hoba uchihola vaulwane nendachitori uyiwa ngondorujena ndisingopuwa chance natobokora ngegame yotoma natovidzora saitini wafya ini mwamwedzi ndondipa randa 10 randa za 10 zvazori after a month or so ndachihola the randa.
Are you serious?
aungadana mushavi wonekwa neva vachimupa chelede apa lani univen vadova vabudzi vari kwamango
nantirenga mine ngachede
so zvichinga mumanda ndikonozobula kuti ndachikonori ndibuye ngapanoni bosorodzo nditondore chisebo chamukeguru and abe ndachibva training ndaumanga mirenje
nikogonya ngove
tindingatsini baba.
So but you never had a problem but then 100 rand you were sharp for you
for ne right ngore mukeguru aenda vachichimurengisa
nanchidiro vafuti nazama namukeguru ngasebo and
nafunu ndakonorenga kwamsi ndavhura kwakato kwa jete basi kuri ndise kamsi 20 rand ngamwedzi kare
ichibalance ukati vana 3310 I think
usina funu
are you for real?
Nenda sina funu that day by then.
So kan randa nachikonorengera mukeguru chisebo na balance
ndachisa 70 rand aya ndasalanga
30 70
ari ndizongorenga chisebo ndikuwapa yote 70 kana ndatowa ndorenga zva 70 rand.
You know what, this is amazing. If you don't know him, now you know him. Don't mind the sound on the background. We're at News Cafe. They're grilling some coffee beans for us to have some good time. You know what I'm saying? So the grrr, it's the coffee machine. They're grinding some beans. We're having some good time. Murondo Skwibiru, former Black Leopard player. And I'm going to ask him about the new jersey, which I saw him wearing. And I want to know a lot of things about it. We're just going to be jumping quickly. He's saying 100 rand in Rengana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 30, 70 to the home. And so on. By then, none of Tomobana girlfriend, of course. Nano focus kama majita bola John.
That's what I yenda ko the name.
Majita bola ajolesi.
Rina la majita basa toto desiwa. Rasha vela bola. Tondari bola.
Nano ba bola ni.
Vatotoda.
Vatotoda. Modanda. Oba na pressure ti.
Vakuona pesa. Modanda. Amara chizitoma kabora za mayani. Zvakondoka.
Ende ndidzone dzineba komana vanjibo malani pala ngori chi awo chidala nione mudabi woto pa. Vatu wajina naka kona kick yangi ka kona box.
Vachikora vajina mudabi ni wote. Mara hola muzana ne konto dato ni ndela kuni gidimera.
Kuba kunyango ita ni marola muzana.
Bako diambera.
Uramuno
makorawo.
No Vaka Leopard Munondo. Which I would ask you a few things about Jenny Anuka Leopard. No bena duwana no fara tamusi chipuga choba man of the match ka Black Leopard.
Naliko zabo mulove tuli ko ya udoncha jisi na no nena matare na wana ani
Guy matare nai.
Matanda na mulo ko va udoncha jisi team. So namubuza matanda hada ne chuba na man of the match ka Leopard namngana. Are eno ngoma ngoma ndari mara ndari na timing ndasiko the man of the match ndi Bakania kanne
so you never had that thing your man of the match
unazi I was engineers ziwana ka Leopards lot never been in like ka Leopards ndotamba Leopards for tindo yanga 97 for 10 years yena ndikotamba ka Leopards ndine ndina top goal scorer for imwe ya 10 so always ndachidwa top goal scorer team
undisputed
uva itothomosika ichipela wobone top goal scorer andani itobayiswa nyana ngamshado biyala richi bodo promotiwa mara ndimsirichi bodo mapeselo odi hapo akero mara wayi nimwa yote ya 10
nada na tuwa Leopard nege
ndichitobva ka Leopards ndiri Leopards chino yanga 97 98 97 up to 2007 almost 10 years chibva ka Leopards kala nena mkala rabono no dowele sana chairman but I'm not doing what to me wrong amwe
nibone boshango
ndono shuma nonchumela mra bakonori ndaya nakona ka Pirates nga 2007
and I remember ncheka Pirates rena rauta kana bad because mna no represent bad and nanchizoifa vibe yori now munondo exactly
mara like ndichizoka nawo ndi pressure but asimapungo zokoya
unazi expectations za team nikoto deliver
and yaba pressure ne ayifana ka Leopards unasikuzwa ndi kaka my comfort zone ndazo ndikora namizokora is okay mara pala ndo bidzulu shuma
nina target yapala
target ya wona ndi reparese yoba ika I think it was yobe to amchila ngala chipinga ari bado kugula zwa so we were there to save the team iwe mission
Yeah.
uya ikubaleliwa so
no mani kaswa team ya Pirates
ndotohumbelelwa zvezvo
Yeah.
uri hovipa murato
yeah come and rescue.
yapedza ije ndakatopiti
How much will you pay by them?
kabakania
Yeah.
okay 35 inenda soko
After tax or before tax? After tax.
Yeah.
So before tax you ma 40.
anenge
Yeah, 40 chaka. Yeah.
ndisenza hii nekodakana
Yeah. And from I don't want to know much about the leopard salary because no Zumba is fine.
hatodzumba
Yeah.
hayi bona kuti ndachiwana bgai
Eh, no rand. Nichitoma na chora 100.
ndichitona ndikuona 16
Yeah, nichitona kuwana 16. So no double ngange ini yonopirana zvithu ngani.
ndiri from 100 rand to 16 ini
Yeah.
yavana jeni from 100 rand to 800 reteknivene
Yeah.
from from 1.6 richitandani
Yes.
yakonogonya ri 4000
Yeah.
yari 6 yakonopedzera kuri 16
Master G live on Medium Wave 35. Take it easy. We're still with Murondo Squibiru, former Black Leopard player, Pirates, Bay, Super Sport United. Armo Gamzika Murondo. Just for the sake and the love of this guy. Tome awane madinyano rotora hapa. News Cafe Tabani Mall. Master G. Thanks Tendo, my producer behind the camera, and we love you so much. Mzansi, you're the best thing ever in my life.
You're listening to the best radio station on the planet. And now, it's time for a classic.
Sound of Emi Faku, Ungo Wami, MW 1035 podcast on a beautiful day. Buffet, it's nice, it's awesome. Rodzana Murondo, Skibidona Musir, Kunyago, Flash of the Budura, Bora, Jamin, Jingle Africa, for Job the Vapo, Hoiti, Ami, Nika, Orlando Pirates, Namsashi, Skonia, Gidimaya, Car, Bay United, Super Sport United. You can name them all. Murondo kada mengana mutenga nga issue ya Bakania, not abaka Baksinga Sesa, not Mungana Ka Orlando Pirates, Murondo.
Nandichakabhakania ndandotore mission the season.
Yeah.
It was a season mission for Bucks.
Yeah.
Hovipa.
And then did you deliver?
Ngore if ntozombra zwavudi nandichibva Leopards ndichikwa ka Pirates ati.
Yeah.
It was a surprise move. I was supposed to go to Cosmos.
Yeah.
Ndonoamba navo
namjomani.
Yeah. Vari adhari ari nikuri ngapo una hezo. So ndichikuraida ndikoyangini. Mukala mfonera kuti dera vari no tomani uyari yambe. So vachivevo ofara yabhakania ndazviona uri atikoto hana mujomani ndi Crotman. Vaneighbor.
Yeah, for sure.
Valisani mara abantu tomindizamyange ngori ne Bakania ndi team indatwa chifavor.
I see. Nobani chitoba nabuledzani ha one on one na the coach dzadzi the team kana the CEO kana the chairman like Jomo, like you said, for example.
Zineza vazoni bolani.
Yeah.
Master Jini zori kaimi mwane yetende tamba yebola.
Yeah.
Atungoba na manager, atungoba na agent. Gazo ndi discuss a deal ngana Bakania. I was face to face with Ivan Screamer Chavalala na coach.
Yeah.
Men
to men.
Yeah, usina Mike Makabu. Ichitwa ndo na Ruzani. Areba kozumbra chibaka Leopards.
Yeah.
So he was the first one to discuss the contract with Pirates na agent yao.
Yes.
So neti jana pala mo Ivan bakumbuzora. Ini road ndera mutu wa mugaya ngudini mera.
Yeah.
Darwa mini. Watu monzi.
Bar agent.
Bar agent ndaria. Ne vachana tamba bora morani ne sutu TV.
Yeah.
Bar serious bar it. So bakumbulunga bar mini bato bongwanela konini. Uri akusina agent.
Akukona negotiate. Kuna plus kuva kungovela.
So ndana goisha tana wala muna deal ye ndichibva palani vari vanodzisainisa kontraka vathu
Yeah.
iya so ndiyo thoma
Eh.
ngori ndakotodyambela uri arali vone vakontoda uri ndinoshumele nne ndikotoda zvizvi
avambena nne nangoti ukushuma nne
so rarwa deal navo lamurwani
Yes.
nne na huvo nne wa Ivan Screamer na Micho
Yes.
Micho ya
Yeah.
ichi chikochero Micho ya
Yeah.
uri vathu vanji vambulanga ndichakaparidza ndotojiwa nga Bibi Mutombo the lead no
Matina in not wanna call over couple.
It's direct
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
ngori there was no middleman there. It was the two chairmen and me.
In fact, if you had a middleman, you would be earning less than that.
That is what I've been worried. You are the first guy that I discussed the deal that you are going away with all the package. So first chimwe chipinga namsindisina muambelili mara somehow you'll get
For
your
real,
way.
man. Ngamadara nchidwa chitori. What do you think lacks? Ukoshuta many kabatambi bazino bane baba nazi agent. I know you're not criticizing agents, but you are saying to them it still happens. Namsino rodimia ngoro chitori ntiyo shimena samtu amuna, right?
Really like designing yanga sabana agent, it was like in advantage not was ya doba sabana advantage na disadvantage.
Yeah.
Advantage ndio anachikonoamba. You'll get what you want.
Sure.
Agent is there to talk on your behalf.
Yes. And sometimes he talks what you didn't agree on.
And for me, I think what talks it is what you do inside the field of play.
Sure.
Because he didn't look at my agent. He looked at what I was doing.
For real.
So that is when I decided to remain. Man to represent, and I got a good deal out of it.
I see.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I think that's for you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Nice, fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. And for my producer as well. Thanks a lot. We appreciate it. Thank you, sis. All right. Munondo, you know, we tend to discover as time goes.
Yeah.
You see, with our podcast here, Munondo, we are not logged.
Yeah.
No, we talk.
No, I understand.
We talk having some fun because life goes better when you're having fun.
You're right.
And so about the way, I don't know bad. Different freedom. And then the believer as much as not gonna sign a deal na pirates. Nisina agent. Na nandi ngakoni ta show yanga ya podcast.
Yeah, international.
Usina na chaka zofiniswa ngono watie ni studio. Hapa rdo inwa and because we need namuta akabo relaxanyana odo the share. You know, I understand. All I'm from Makatene no from Museva. Yeah. No, it's fine. Yes. So Munondo, there are a lot of people and they're still struggling, like I said to you, they're still struggling with the fact that they are getting paid peanuts and they're working hard and they can't talk on their behalf.
Yeah.
They are being misrepresented by people when they are now dealing with the teams.
Yeah.
They even sign deals one a player caucus.
Yeah.
And the Reaper player pressure ine yo agree wangayo nga agent na management. Rasia player ene muna kotiyo deliver suzine chungushipinga is not possible.
100%.
Just because the agent wants to impress and to be recommended for more players.
Yes. As much as he's helping, the agent is helping the player.
Yeah.
Because like athletes, you know, we have got the freedom to choose what we want.
Of course. Yeah.
I don't think when it comes to Lionel Messi or Barcelona, it was because of the agent.
No.
It was because of his talent.
Of course.
You understand? And as much as we need those guys in there, some of them are just dilly-dallying and
they are coming to do because already in talent in now, they're just actually they're doing their job.
Doing their job
and we appreciate that.
You're listening to the best radio station on the planet.